If you're someone who dreams big, but struggles to take action, this isn't about laziness. It's about being trapped in a system designed to keep you exactly where you are. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 stages that will take you from stuck to financially free. Stage 1. The trap. Right now, you're probably in what I call the trap. You wake up, go to work, pay bills, and repeat. Your paycheck disappears before you even enjoy it. Rent, car payments, subscriptions. You're a debt slave, and society has convinced you this is normal. Here's the lie they sold you. Money doesn't buy happiness. But let me be clear. Money equals freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time, where you live, and what you do with your life. The first step out? Take control of your money. Track every dollar you spend for 1 month. Automate your savings, even if it's just 10% of your income. You can't escape what you can't measure. Stage 2. The awakening. Once you start saving, 2 forces will try to stop you. First, your friends will question why you're not going out as much. They'll call you boring. Understand this. Broke people don't want to see you win because it reflects their own lack of progress. Second, inflation will eat your savings alive. Cash in a bank account loses value every single year. This is where investing becomes non-negotiable. Here's a reality check. If you invested $5,000 in the S&P 500 10 years ago, it would be worth around $16,000 today. In a savings account? Maybe $5,200. Compounding returns are your ticket to the next stage, but only if you start now. Stage 3. Building momentum. Now you're moving, but to accelerate, you need 3 things. The 3 C's. Cash flow. You need money coming in constantly, not just from your job. Start a service-based side hustle. Consulting, freelancing, content creation. Something that generates income on demand. Your goal is to create multiple streams of money flowing toward you. Connections. Stop hanging out with people who aren't going anywhere. Find communities of entrepreneurs, investors, and builders. The insights you gain from one conversation with someone ahead of you can save you years of mistakes. Confidence. This is where most people fail. You need to take calculated risks that terrify you. Launch that business. Make that investment. The difference between you and the wealthy isn't intelligence, it's action despite fear. Stage 4. Exponential growth. By this stage, you're no longer trading time for money. You're buying assets, things that pay you while you sleep. Real estate that generates rental income. Dividend stocks. A business with systems that run without you. Here's the key distinction. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take it out. That expensive car? Liability? That rental property? Asset. You have 2 paths here. Diversification means spreading your money across different investments to reduce risk. It's safer, but slower. High conviction investing means going all in on a few opportunities you deeply understand. Higher risk, but potentially faster returns. Choose based on your risk tolerance, but choose. Sitting on the sidelines is the only guaranteed way to lose. Stage 5. Freedom. The final stage is mastery. Your assets now generate more income than your expenses. You wake up when you want. You work on what fulfills you, not what pays the bills. But here's what separates the truly successful from everyone else. Mastery isn't just about enjoying wealth. It's about legacy. How are you helping others climb the same ladder? What are you building that outlasts you? At this stage, your focus shifts from accumulation to preservation and impact. You've broken free, and now you help others do the same. So, where are you right now? Still in the trap? Starting to wake up? Already building momentum? Whatever stage you're in, the next step is clear. Track your spending. Start investing. Build income streams. Surround yourself with winners. Take the scary action. You're not lazy. You're just tired of playing a rigged game. Now you know the rules. It's time to win.